Welcome back to Tech It's Simple. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete photos on your Yubo. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Step 1. Open your Yubo app. Firstly, you just simply have to open your Yubo application. And after opening your Yubo, you just simply need to go to your profile by clicking on this profile icon in the top right corner. Step 2. Select the photo and delete it. Now, after coming to your profile, just simply click on your profile image. This new page will show all of the pictures that you have uploaded. Just simply select the photo that you want to delete. After selecting the photo, you just simply have to click on this button here. After clicking on that and confirming the delete, your photo will be successfully deleted from Yubo. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update.